Ananuri Fortress, located in Georgia, is a captivating historical site that attracts tourists from around the world. Situated along the picturesque Aragvi River, Ananuri Fortress stands as a testament to the country's rich cultural heritage. From above, a drone allows you to witness the grandeur of Ananuri Fortress in all its glory. You can capture stunning aerial views of the fortress's intricate architecture, including its defensive walls, towers, and churches. The contrasting colors of the red brick against the lush green surroundings create a picturesque scene that is truly mesmerizing. Today, Ananuri Fortress is not only a popular tourist destination but also an important cultural landmark. Visitors can explore its well-preserved towers, walls, churches, and other structures that showcase stunning craftsmanship and intricate details. Whether you're an architecture enthusiast or simply seeking an enriching travel experience, Ananuri Fortress promises to leave you awe-inspired with its grandeur and historical charm. Don't miss out on this must-visit destination when exploring Georgia's diverse cultural heritage.